Healthy gut, healthy brain. Understanding the mind-body-gut-brain connection and learning ways to heal your gut, improve your moods, and regain vitality in your body. Written by C.S. Stewart. Narrated by Deidre. Introduction. There is a growing crisis of chronic disease in the United States. A chronic disease refers to an ongoing illness that, in most cases, is incurable and can be debilitating. Common chronic diseases on the rise in our nation include heart disease, various cancers, asthma, and diabetes. What is interesting about these diseases is that early prevention or early detection can significantly reduce the chances of contracting them, or at least help to manage the symptoms. There's a saying that goes, plan ahead or find trouble at your doorstep. Ideally, we should live healthy lifestyles that promote good health. But let's be honest, how many of us adjust our lifestyles to prevent or reduce the risk of becoming ill? Unless we experience a sudden health scare or notice symptoms of mental or physical illness, we're unlikely to monitor our health, manage our food intake, and provide our bodies with the nutrition they deserve. However, the statistics related to chronic disease in the United States are enough evidence that individuals need to prioritize their physical and mental health. According to the National Health Council, 133 million U.S. citizens, more than 40% of the population, have at least one chronic disease. Moreover, nearly half of American adults suffer from a chronic disease, and 8% of children between the ages of 5 and 17 were reported by their parents to suffer with at least one chronic disease. In 2009, it was reported that 7 out of 10 deaths were due to chronic diseases, and those who managed to live with a chronic disease had a lower quality of life. Take a moment and imagine yourself requiring ongoing medical assistance. Consider what life would be like if you found it difficult to get up from bed each morning, suffered numbing pain that would come and go whenever it pleased, felt lethargic throughout the day, or experienced low moods that you couldn't control. This is the reality of people who suffer from one or more chronic diseases. Not only do they need to manage their declining health, but they also need to confront daily mental and physical symptoms that come as a result of poor health. You can fight off a flu with vitamin C and a good night's rest, but a chronic disease may never go away.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?